Hi guys, so this is like my productive, like me trying to be productive day in the life. I'm about to make my loaded tea right now. I just decided I would set you guys up, kind of talk to you, because in the last video, I didn't talk very much. It was more of just like a quick, clean video. But with this video, I wanted to be a little bit more thorough, kind of talk to you guys a little bit, but still add in montages and make it nice to watch. I'm always afraid that when I make these types of videos, like where I'm talking, that people aren't a fan and that they're just gonna click off. A collagen packet. Pink Starburst. Okay, this is the instant tea powder and I literally almost forgot it. I'm not really doing much today. I'm honestly just kind of chilling around the house. I'm going to try to be productive. I mean, honestly, making a YouTube video is productive to me. It takes a little bit of work. I have a few things that I want to film and do today, so. But look at my cute little, they're doing some sort of yard work outside and it's just obnoxious, but it's like, appreciate it, but it's loud. Okay guys, this is the fun part. Guys, he was just outside my window and I literally grabbed myself. So guys, I just got done with filming my like get ready with me, and this is what I'm dealing with. And not to mention this as well, because I was trying to find an outfit. So I'm not loving that. This is the reality of filming YouTube videos. I'm gonna start cleaning this up now. Somebody just rang my doorbell. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? They're leaving. What? I thought she just left the package. Oh. What is this? I just got a letter. I don't even know what they tried to deliver to me right now. I literally had a freaking panic attack because I was like, who's ringing my doorbell? Who? So guys, I'm wanting to dye this swimsuit that I got from Temu because I don't like how close to my like skin tone this color is. I do have a little bit of this dye. It's a brown like RIT dye. So I might try to dye my swimsuit today. We'll probably do this later. No guarantees. So now I'm going to edit my YouTube video for a little bit. Start getting on some editing, doing thumbnails, things like that. So guys, I'm about to start editing my thumbnail. I'm starving. It's 12:28. I really need to eat, so I'm gonna cook something for lunch.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love.
So guys, UV is about to get home with Taco Bell. Later tonight, I'm going to be babysitting my friend's puppy. I will keep you updated on that too.